Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this camping lamp by WLE Oak. It's a light emitted diode lamping lantern with on top power bank function. It comes with red warning light and a Searchlight portability. We have 3 light modes, 2 brightness levels. Rechargeable camping lamp for, of course, camping, hiking, dog walk, and so on, night fishing, and it's possible to use this in nearly all emergency situations. 6 lightning modes. Both the front light and the side light can provide 100% bright and 30% weak light modes for daily lighting. In an emergency, the 2 red light modes of the parking light helps us, steady light and flash mode. And it's easy to choose. There's only one button on the device. This you have to push, job's done. It's really easy. The camping torch is available in a total of 6 modes. It's perfect for all lighting requirements in any situations. And IP65 waterproof. We have a high quality ABS material, ensures stability for outdoor use. The fully closed structure guarantees the reliability of the IP65 seals. This camping light can easily cope with any bad weather such as rain, snow, frost, etc. Whenever indoor or outdoor, we can use this super bright LED torch with confidence. Of course, you should not go diving with it, or because it's not waterproof. It is only splash waterproof, okay? But this is enough to use this in outdoor conditions. And this is a rechargeable torch and a power bank in one. The built-in 2 rechargeable batteries allows this powerful camping lantern to be recharged over 1,000 times. After these 1,000 times, you can replace these batteries inside. With this rechargeable USB flashlight, we don't have to change the batteries so often. It also works as a power bank for smartphones or mobile devices in an emergency and brings us more convenience. You have a micro USB port and a USB-A port on it. So you can dock there on the USB port, you can dock there your smartphone, for example, your tablet, or other devices which need energy, and the power supply comes over a USB cable. It's awesome because this is a 2-in-1 or a 3-in-1 lantern here. It's a 360 degrees lantern, as you can see, and it is a flashlight. And on top it is a power bank. And super bright and long range is included. With the improved T6 light-emitted diode chip, the front light of this camping light has a brightness of 1,500 lumens and a range of 1,000 feet. This is the flashlight to meet the effective distance needed in life. The side light consists of 40 LED strips. This provides a 360 degrees full lighting and it easily brightens up the dark environment. And it's portable and it comes with a wide application needs. With the handle and the hook with a double purpose, we can easily hold this outdoor lantern on a branch or hang on the top of the tent for lighting. It's perfect for outdoor activities such as hiking, hunting, fishing, camping, dog walk, cat walk, cow walk, and so on. This is awesome. And it's easy to operate with it. This is the WLE Oak camping lantern here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.